Hi friends, welcome to my channel Falcon Gigs. In today's video, we'll discuss about if else condition. So how it will work. So it's a part 2 video. If you want to check the control flow statements, if condition how to use, please check my previous video. So let's get started. So I'll use the same class and I'll create a variable here int number is equal to, I'll give some value here. Okay, now what I do is I'll use if statement here. Okay, so inside the if I'll say condition is number is greater than 0. So if 10 is greater than 0 or any number is greater than 0, so I would like to print something. Okay, so what I'll print is I'll say the number is positive. It's a positive number. Okay, and I'll also print the number. Okay, okay, so I'll add another condition else if. Okay, here my condition is number less than 0. Okay, so I want to print something if it is less than 0. Okay, I'll just copy the same print statement and I'll say the number is negative. Okay, else I'll say so I'll print saying the number is 0. Okay, let's execute this and let's check the conditions here. So you can see the number is positive because the 10 is greater than 0. Okay, now I'll give minus, so the output should be negative. Okay, the number is negative. Okay, now I'll give it as 0, so it should print the number is 0. Hope you understand how to use if else condition. Thanks for watching.